Hi there, my name is KU and welcome to my channel ElectroScott. So guess what is in this video? Well, this video is about DIY IR Universal. If you want to make the same as mine, then follow the video till the end. So let's get started. First, go to my GitHub account. So for that, click on your favorite browser and paste the link and download the zip file. I will provide the GitHub link in video description. Open this is in File Explorer. Unzip it and open the folder. In this project, there are mainly two things. First is software part and second is hardware part. Let me explain briefly about those two things. So let us open the software part. Click on Add Configuration. Click on plus icon and click on Python. Select the script path and click on combined underscore script underscore sw underscore part.py. Click on apply and click OK. In software part, we have Python script that runs on our local machine. First, it will take the key name from the user and search that key name in database. So let's see it in action. As we see, it show enter your query. I will be entering number 5 and press enter. It will search in database and client connected. And it will again ask for same. If key is found, then it try to connect the MQTT broker as we see in this prompt. After it connect the MQTT broker, it will send the hex code. As we see, it sent the hex code. Now, let's go to the hardware part. In hardware part, it first try to connect the Wi-Fi and then it hosts the web page on localhost. Let's see the web page. Here you can see the web page hosted by our ESP8266. So minimize this window. Next, then it is subscribe the MQTT topic and receive the message. Then it connect to the MQTT broker and wait for MQTT message. If message is arrived, then it will transmit this message using IR transmitter. So how it works, let's see it in action. In hardware part, IR transmitter is connected to the ESP8266 board. Let me show you circuit diagram first. So open up that folder and click on schematic diagram. It will open the PDF. Here you can see the circuit diagram of the transmitter. The one end of the register is connected to D5 pin of the ESP8266 and another end is connected to IR transmitter anode. And the cathode of the IR transmitter is connected to ground. Minimize the window. Here you can see in left hand side we have hardware script and right hand side we have software script. Let me minimize this option to show better. Now, if you want to upload the code on ESP8266, click on Tools, click on Board and select the board type as ESP8266 1.0. Again, click on Tools, select your COM port. Mine COM port is COM port 16 and then after hit upload button. We'll wait for uploading the code. Here we can see our code is uploaded successfully on ESP8266. Let us open the serial monitor and press reset button on the ESP8266. Now we can see MQTT connection is successful. Now we can able to transmit the hex code from software script means Python script to the hardware script. Let us see in action. Let me press EQ button in remote. So here we can see the message is arrived from Python script and both the code is same. Now if you want to put your SSID and password in eeprom, then that is so easy to do. Open the serial monitor. Here you can see serial monitor is already open. Note down the IP address, means copy this IP address and open your favorite browser. Click on plus icon and paste your IP address and hit enter. Here you can see our web page hosted by our ESP8266. So let us see side by side view. Click on SSID and provide your SSID. I will be putting YouTube as my SSID and password as 1234. If you want to see the password, click on this I button. When you click on submit button, it will save this credential to EEPROM available in ESP8266. So here we can see our SSID as YouTube and password is 1234 is saved successfully in our EEPROM. And now you can connect your Wi-Fi to ESP8266 as well. So this is for today's video. If you have any doubt, leave a comment below. As always, code, schematic, links and other things is in the description. Thanks for watching this video. Stay creative and I will see you next time.